Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about that how can you improve your English language by watching videos about the biography of famous personalities, or by reading the articles on Google or on different platforms. You can improve your English language. Today in this video the personality is I'm going to talk about the president of a country who is former actor, stand-up comedian. I will talk about him. I will give you the detail about him. So please stay with me in this video. Watch this video till end so that you never miss any point which is discussed in this video. Actually, I think that when you want to learn English language, then I think you should learn more about. You should learn on advanced level. By advanced level, I mean that you should know about other people, the famous personalities. You should watch videos, you should read the articles about the famous personalities. In this way you would know about their personalities, and you will also improve your English language, because each and every person has different personalities, different lifestyle, different careers, and when you will read about them, when you will watch videos about them, you would come to know the new sentences, new words, and new information. So today personality is the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, who is former actor, stand-up comedian, and he earned the publicity, or he earned his name through the famous TV show named The Servant of the People, and right now he is the president of Ukraine. And most of the people have this mentality that the people those are linked with art and culture can't become the president of or prime minister of the countries. But he proved that person from any field can lead the country, because for leading countries the leadership qualities are required, and he showed his passion towards serving the nation. Before becoming the president, he was doing acting job. He has done lot of comedy shows, lot of films. He was also running his own production company, and he was born in 1978, and after that he got his early education. And by saying talking about these personalities, I mean that you can get encouragement wherever you working. Some people are working in art and culture, some are players. You know that some players, as Imran Khan, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, was former the player, and Volodymyr Zelensky was former the actor, comedian actor, stand-up actor, took over the charge of country. So I think that for leading the nation, it requires the passion, the leadership qualities inside you. No matter what work you are doing in your previous life, it does not matter with your present situation, because in previous time, whatever, because the Zelensky earned the popularity from his acting career, that career supported him to become the president of the country. So I think that you should also get the inspiration from such kind of personalities, and if you are willing to become something in future, then you can become, no matter what your present situation is. Don't consider your present situation in your mind, and keep in your mind that you can do anything if you are interested in. And if you want to do something exemplary, if you want to serve the nation, and for that you are willing to become some famous personalities, some leading personalities, so you can become, and don't think that you can't become. Hope you find this video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you, bye bye.